Hello guys, my name is Shubham and today we will discuss the topic is called constructors in Java and today's date is 30 January 2024. So let's discuss the what are the constructors. Constructors are the special types of method in object-oriented programming language that are used to initialize the objects. The name of the constructor is always same as name of the class. Constructor has no any return types. If we declare the return type to the constructor, then it is act as methods. So in Java there are two types of constructors. First one is default constructor. Second one is parameterized constructor. If we didn't declare any constructor in our program, then compiler automatically generate the constructor at compile time. It means default constructor. This is default constructor. Second one is parameterized constructor. If we want to declare the value to the class field, then we use the parameterized constructor. Constructor is always called at the for every object creation. If we create the multiple object of the class, then constructor automatically called multiple times. So in Java there are 4 access modifier applicable for constructor. So these are public, private, protected and default. So let's discuss one by one. First one is public. If we declare the public access modifier for constructor, then we can create the object anywhere. Second one is protected. If we declare the protected access modifier for the constructor, then we can create the object within the same package or we can create the outside package also through the child class. Next one is private. We can create the constructor of the object of the constructor within same class. Next one is default. If we declare the default access modifier, then we can create the object of constructor within same package. So these are the 4 access modifier applicable for constructor. Static, final, these are the non-access modifier not applicable for the constructor. So in constructor there are two keywords are used. First one is super and second one is this. Super keyword is used to call the parent class constructor and this keyword is used to call the current class constructor. In constructor we declare this or super keyword at the first line of the code, but we cannot declare the both at simultaneously. So this is the perfect constructor. In constructor we declare only one this or super keywords. We cannot declare it multiple times. So these are the role of this and super keyword in Java. So this in the case of this and super, in method we can declare multiple times, but in case of constructor we declare only one times. So these are the constructors in Java.